Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join LumberPro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. The chainsaw roars to life, its sharp blades spinning at high speed, ready to tear through the wood. The operator checks for safety, adjusts his stance, and prepares for precise cuts. The cut deepens, and the massive tree begins to lean. In an instant, a loud cracking sound echoes through the forest, and the entire trunk crashes down with immense force, shaking the ground. Chainsaws are indispensable equipment in the logging industry, wood processing, and even in household chores such as tree pruning. However, when using a chainsaw, absolute safety must be ensured because this is one of the most dangerous tools if not properly controlled. The worker raises the chainsaw, carefully approaching the branch. In just a second, the blade slices through, and the branch falls gently in the planned direction. Even massive logs cannot challenge experienced craftsmen. With sharp chainsaw blades and absolute caution, they handle each piece of wood with precision. Modern forestry machines with powerful hydraulic arms can grip and cut down trees within seconds. The sharp rotating saw blade slices through thick wood, producing a roaring sound that echoes through the forest. With advanced technology, these machines can fell dozens of trees in a short time, significantly speeding up the logging process. After the tree is cut, the branch trimming machine gets to work. agile mechanical arms, equipped with sharp cutting blades, remove all branches within seconds. Thanks to an intelligent sensor system, the machine adjusts its cutting force accordingly, ensuring a quick process without damaging the tree trunk. After being trimmed, long tree trunks are cut into suitable sections for easier transportation. The log cutting machine uses an ultra-sharp circular saw blade to slice through each log with high precision. This process optimizes wood size for various applications, such as making planks, furniture production, or industrial wood processing. The heavy timber trucks slowly make their way onto the muddy road deep in the forest. Thick mud clings to the tires, making each turn of the wheels more challenging. However, with powerful engines and four-wheel drive systems, these massive machines persist in pushing forward. The slippery road means that even a small mistake could get the truck stuck. They constantly adjust their speed, maintain balance, and carefully choose the right path to navigate through the deep mud pits.
Давай, Колян, давай, 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 сука. Давай взад. Еще. Сука, там шланги эти ебаные. Их нельзя подвернуть вверх. Давай, давай, сука, маленько остается. Давай. Давай, родная, давай, молодец.
The rainforest rains turn the road into a slippery, muddy path. The massive wheels spin fiercely, struggling to grip the thick mud. The roaring ends deeper the climb, the greater the strain on the engine, yet with its powerful drivetrain, the truck relentlessly pushes forward. At times, drivers must coordinate with towing machines to ensure the truck doesn't slide backward. Despite all difficulties, The timber trucks march forward like mighty war horses. The forest roads are filled with obstacles, sometimes landslides, sometimes fallen trees, but nothing can halt their progress. With steady hands and precise maneuvering, the drivers skillfully transport the heavy logs out of the forest safely. When reaching steep inclines, the heavily loaded truck, carrying dozens of tons of timber, slows down drastically. The engine roars, the tires grip the ground tightly, and every meter becomes a fierce battle between machinery power and gravity. Some slopes are too dangerous, forcing drivers to work with specialized towing machines for extra support. At the base of the hill, other drivers patiently wait for their turn, knowing that even the slightest rush could lead to disastrous consequences. The scene outside the timber workshop is a vibrant display of dedicated labor. This is where raw logs begin their journey to becoming valuable products. Follow our channel to explore more about the world of timber and forestry processing. Massive logs are fed into the main cutting machine by a conveyor belt. The sharp saw blade screeches as it slices through the wood, sending sawdust flying in all directions. A worker stands nearby, carefully monitoring and adjusting the size to ensure each plank meets the required standards. Wood scraps are not wasted. Instead, they are collected and fed into the chipper machine for recycling. After being cut into planks, the wood is sent to the smoothing machine. Thin layers of wood are shaved off, revealing a shiny grain beneath. Workers carefully inspect each plank, running their hands over the surface to ensure there are no scratches or defects. Standard quality planks are sent to storage, while defective ones are reprocessed to minimize waste. Once processing is complete, the wood is sorted based on size and quality. Large, smooth planks are sent to furniture manufacturers, while smaller pieces are used for construction materials. Trucks take turns carrying loads of timber out of the workshop, delivering them to factories nationwide, beginning their new journey. The wood chipping and grinding machine is an essential piece of equipment in the wood processing industry, used to break down wood scraps, branches, or small logs into the chips or sawdust. These processed wood fragments can be used as raw materials for plywood production, paper manufacturing, or biomass fuel. When wood is fed into the machine, a cutting blade system or hammer mill operates with high power to shred the wood into evenly sized fragments. The machine can adjust the fineness of the wood chips depending on the intended use. A conveyor belt or air-blown system then transports the processed wood to a designated collection area. Wood chipping and grinding machines maximize wood resource utilization, reduce waste, and offer numerous applications. Follow our channel to explore more about modern wood processing technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest exciting videos.